Yo, 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 good morning, man. Friday morning. Welcome to Power Plays Palace. Man, what a day, what a day. Let's get down to it. Alright. Oh, there we go. Look at the chart from yesterday. We had 674.50 to 675 entry on our call side for 673.20. Target 676.50, 678.20, 680.80, 08. Now on the put side, we had a 673, 670, 880, the 674 to 650, 674.50 entry for the puts with our stop above 675.70, with our targets being 672.50, 671.44, and 670 even. And so let's look at SPY, what SPY did yesterday. Looking at the pre-market right now. So let's go over to yesterday. Here we go. All right. So SPY opened up today right here at 671.15. And from there, it had a slight battle going on at that level where it tried to push up and create a new high, but it did not. It pushed down here to 668 in the 668.13 area, and then it pulled back and it tried to go up again. And then we tried to break out of this range. Well, it's out of the range. You can see the first 15-minute range is not that big of a range. And so we talking about a $2 range. So as it breaks outside of this box the first time and comes back in, you see it almost closes this gap all the way back up, but it touches the pre-market low from yesterday. You see it right there? And once it does that, it pushes all the way back down, almost to the low of the day from the previous day, from a previous day, but it didn't. And so what happens is it pushes up. You get this big resistance, but it stays pretty much in this range between 667, 669 pretty much all day. And then it pushes down a little bit, pulls back to 668, and then it finally breaks down below towards 665 where it establishes at that low of the day, that 665.90 area. So overall, you got about a $6 range, but you had a lot of choppiness right up in this area, right up in here from about 11:30 to 1:40. A lot of choppy in there, and so that's where you could have found some problems. And just looking at the chart, you really see it really didn't do much in what we had scheduled or what we had on our chart for yesterday. So it really wasn't a whole lot of wiggle room. But you could have definitely got in and played because it played below this entry all day on the put side. Could have played it, but I mean with the choppiness going on, you would have made some money eventually on the end of the day in a few of those pullbacks. But you had to be real tight with the stop loss and everything on yesterday. So that was yesterday. So let's look at today's chart. As you can see right now in the pre-market, what SPY did, it started out here, pulled down 662.70, and then it pushed all the way up to 669. So that's a $7 range in the pre-market. It's a pretty good range. And so it started to make a move towards yesterday's area where we was at 671.65, I think the high today yesterday again. So it started to push toward that area. And so we'll see what it's looking like. So for today, what we'll be looking at is if SPY pushes, hold on, put the chart up for today. If SPY pushes up into the 669.70, 669.90 to 670.40 area, and it's able to start pushing above that, and that's be our entry area. That's mean we're reclaiming these highs, and as you can look at the chart for today, what's going on in the pre-market, you can see SPY is already to 662.70, but you can see already it's 845 right now. It actually broke all the way through that pre-market high already. and it's making a major push right here before 9 o'clock on a Friday morning. So that is something to see. Um, and so let's go back to the chart. And what we'll be looking at is if it breaks and holds above those areas for it to go to 671.38, 673.20, and 675.40. But if it pushes it to the 669 area and 670 area, and then it stalls out, we want to put our stop above 671.10 and set our targets at 667.80, 665.90, and 662.70. And that's what be just coming back to the previous day's low into the pre-market low. And so that's what we'll be looking at so far. But as we can see right now, the chart had made a major push up here in the last 5 minutes. And we'll see how that plays out. It's gonna be an interesting day. But that's our trade plan for today. We want you to stay disciplined, follow your chart, stick to your levels, and then execute the trade. Now, this is not financial advice. These are just advice from somebody who trades every day. But again, if anything I give you in this chart and this video helps you, like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to join us at Power Plays, come over to Power Plays Discord and you can trade with us during the day. In the meantime, let's have a good Friday and let's get ready, man, and do this thing, man. You have a great day. It's Power Plays. We out.